Business is highly encouraged in Islam as long as it is done ethically, without deception, and within halal guidelines. The Quran and Hadith emphasize honest trade, fair dealings, and avoids haram earnings like fraud or interest. The product we're talking about is the Islamic Jar, a digital collection of life-changing knowledge, like including AI-powered halal business ideas, how to beat anxiety, reverse aging, boost confidence, and even a Harvard-backed meditation course. What is the Islamic Jar? All right, so what exactly is the Islamic Jar? Think of it as a treasure chest filled with AI-enhanced knowledge, covering topics that genuinely improve lives. For example, what halal business ideas using AI, the ultimate guide to starting a business while staying within Islamic principles. How to beat anxiety, practical research-backed techniques, reverse aging and hypertension, science-based strategies to live a healthier, longer life. Harvard-backed research is on happiness and mindfulness, the same insights used by top performers. 30-day guided meditation course. Strengthen your mind while staying spiritually grounded. How to build unshakable confidence. Psychology plus Islamic teachings to become the best version of yourself. How to make money selling it online. Step 1. Create and customize. Use AI tools like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Canva to refine the Islamic Jar content. You can add your branding, tweak the messaging, or even make it into an engaging video course. Step 2. Set up a sales page. Use platforms like Gumroad, Shopify, or Podia to sell your product. Step 3. Market using AI and social media. Use AI-powered marketing tools like ChatGPT for ad copy, Canva for design, and TikTok, Instagram, Facebook ads, and YouTube Shorts to drive traffic. Hit like and subscribe and let me know in the comments. What's one digital product you'd love to create? I'll see you in the next one.